What's up, you guys? Goofyhat here, and we're going to be doing another episode of our Kerbal Space Program walkthrough. Like our playthrough, I don't know. Alright. Let's load in. First Mila. Right. So let's just get to it. Start game. Resume save. Let's go back to our Let's Play. And let's just load in. So last episode, we sent our rocket up into space, and we ended up going 130,000 meters in the air. And we came back, and yeah, we lost a few Kerbals, but yeah, we got a ton of science though, as you can see. We have 65 science, so we're just going to go into R&D, and let's just look. General rocketry. Here's you. The Reliant liquid fuel engine, Thumper, solid fuel booster, fuel tanks. I don't know if we need this right now. Let's look at stability, nose cones, winglets, radial decouplers. So radial decouplers are basically just decouplers, but they go from the side. Light control, winglet. I don't think we need that. Basic science is where so. Proto-bonine static punk. I don't know what that is. Rechargeable battery packs. Ooh. Science Junior. Oh yeah, you can do some good experiments from here. Storage unit, which is good. A radiator panel. Ooh. A radiator panel, large, and a gain antenna. You know, we're going to get this, and then that unlocks a lot of stuff, but we have nowhere near the amounts for that. We're going to just get general rocketry, and advanced rocketry gives you some better stuff. So what we are going to do this time is we're just going to do the vehicle assembly, obviously. And we have a new pod that is the ultimate solution, a lightweight sphere. Okay. Oh, it comes with no, we can go without any crew. Okay. So let's just do the MK1 pod because we don't want to get into too much. MK16 parachute, but we want to get into orbit. So we're gonna put a we have something in the payload. So we're just gonna put a decoupler on here. Because, you know, why not? It makes it so we have less stuff. But actually, oh, I almost forgot about thermal, a heat shield. So let's just put that there. And a TD12 decoupler. And, you know, let's put some science stuff here. Oh, okay. Now that we have the Science Junior, we're going to try something. We're going to try putting the Science Junior here. It's going to make it a lot heavier. I think we can manage to do that. Oh, wait, no, I have a. Wait. Let me think about this. Oh, no, okay, we could do this. We're just gonna put the heat shield in the decoupler and that. And we're gonna put some. Oh yeah, okay. We're gonna use the rotate. Like, where's the rotate? Is it? I think it's E. Yeah, you press E. Oh no. How do I make it? Is it C or T? How do you rotate? We don't want to rotate like that. We want to rotate it other way. Maybe it's maybe it's Control E? No. Alt E? Yeah, well, we're just gonna put this here. I had an idea for something we could do, but let's just do that. But we're gonna put everything right by here. So we can. Oh yeah, we also want to put the barometer here. And have been so useful if we put the mystery goo right there. If we could figure out how to turn it. Oh! Tool, rotate, okay. Rotate, rotate, rotate. Rotate, okay. Rotate. Yes. We're gonna rotate it. Wait, no. What do we rotate it? Yeah, rotate it on this blue axis. I think we... No, what we need to do is we have to... Come on, why not? Okay, do I have to zoom in? Like, insane amount on this? Oh, yes. Yes, we put it sideways. Okay, yes, let's go. Okay, let us move it a little further down. Yes, okay, so we're gonna put that there, and yeah, okay, we're gonna put that there, and we have all of our science experiments easily because we're gonna go EVA, and you know we have everything. Our science junior, and let us go put down. No, okay. We are going to use a swivel engine because that's pretty efficient, but if you remember, we need a fuel tank, but now we can have FL200, so let's just place. I think 3 will do the job. Fuel tanks, and put the engine there, and let's put the engine 267. Okay, and now we are going to put another decoupler down, and we are going to put these thumper engines, and that makes this rocket much larger. But first, what we're going to do is let's just take this away, and let's go to aerodynamics, and we're going to take these. We're not just going to put one down. We're going to click the symmetry mode and get 4. And put them right there, so it's easier to turn. You know, that work? Yeah, that works better. That's my design. And now let's put this back, and let's put it back into normal mode, and let's, you know, yeah, that's great. Oh, here's our current, and we're gonna take another one of these thumpers and symmetry mode. Well, no, actually, you know, this is something no. Let's just do an R10, and then we're gonna put 2 R10s on the side. And yeah, let's see if we can move that up. Yes, it's basically levels. So now this is gonna be, what should we call this? Orbital craft. Okay, come on. Yes, we're going to orbit. And crew. Yeah, good. Let's save this. Let me see if I can open some more stuff. Okay. Cancel. And now let's save again and leave. And let me check. Would it be under Astronaut Complex? Oh, yes. If we get the Astronaut Complex and we spend the extra money to upgrade it, now we can EVA, which is, it can EVA anywhere. So that means that even in space, you can get outside of the craft. So, I mean, I think that, let's check the weight on this one last time. Yeah, 17 tons, but the thrust is enough, so I think this is ready to launch. Before before we do the launch, in case we severely mess this up, let us push F5 to do a quick save. Now let's press V to throttle up, toggle the SAS, and also we want all these engines firing at the same time, so let's just drag that to those engines, decouple, engine, decouple, parachute. And now, let's go. So at about 100 meters per second, we're going to want to start tilting to the right with using D. So very, very slowly, but still. And let's just do this for a tiny bit. Try not to get too out of control. And then solid fuel. Now let's switch to the engine. Is it not doing anything? Is there not any? What's going on? Is it? There's nothing going on. It's not like. Is it raising our Apple Watch just. Wait a minute. Did I do something wrong? Why isn't it thrusting? Oh, okay. Now it's working. Okay. Now let's just keep on tilting to the right, tapping right, and we're gonna get until we're at that 90. So it just was off, and now yeah, we're going to the orbit. And now let us go here and then once we get, because we want to go into orbit, we have to go sideways. So now let's stop our engine and let's see what our apparatus is. 107, a little too high, but we can still manage. So let's just wait for here for a bit. We still have a good amount of fuel. I think this is enough. I don't know. Let me check. Fuel. Okay, this isn't as much as I would like, but I think I can do it. So we're gonna wait. Let's zoom in, and let's wait until we get into space, so it's ready for time warp. So I'm just gonna keep on following this prograde. So now let's just wait until we get into in space. So let's time warp a tiny bit. Let's do it a bit. No, actually, before you do a big time warp, you should quick save, but right now we're not doing a very big one. So let's wait until we get closer, and let's move this back towards this, and this needs to move towards our prograde, and it's going to get closer and closer to the orange until it passes the orange. And now, when we're, let me see, how long? Say, okay, we're going to start burning. As you can see how big it's getting. Our fuel is running out fast, and we ran out of fuel. So that is not good. But let's see where we would turn out. So we want to use our fuel more efficiently. So let us press F9 and hold to load the last quick save, which is when we were at the launch. So let's do that. Turn off throttle, toggle SAS, and let us remember to activate the engine. Oh, okay, that is not good. Press X. And let's space. We've gotta try to go sideways more. I think that let's see if we can just tap it up a tiny bit and still turn. Okay. How long do we have? Let's pull this up. We can burn for 25 more seconds. Let's see if our apparatus is high enough. Okay, our apparatus is high enough, but we didn't go sideways. So let's just try to turn. And we have, yeah, 17 seconds to burn left. Okay, and we're just gonna wait until we get to that 90-ish mark. And yeah, this isn't the best. This is like not very good, but I mean it works. It should work. So let's wait until we get to 70, and then once we hear that music, we know it's safe to go. And now let's wait until we zoom in and start moving this. And now we just wait. Now I press out. We wait until we just try until they'll stop going away from us too much. So now we're just gonna burn. Let's just wait until we get a little closer. And it's gonna get faster and faster. Okay, we keep on getting there. Oh, but not even almost, just we're not getting anywhere now close. So what we need to do, you guessed it, go back to our last quick save, but this time we're going to do something a little different. We're going to go back to the Space Center. Let's recover this. And go back to the vehicle assembly building. And let's just take this. Let's add another FL200 fuel tank, and I mean that means that we should also probably move our fins down, and then move this around. And you know, I don't think we need that. It got a little heavier, but also a little longer. So let's save and just try to launch this. Okay, quick save, and let's go. Okay, we're going up pretty fast, but not too fast. So now, you also don't really pay attention to this, pay attention more to the nav ball. Now we're gonna start going right, and maybe it'll let us go to the right a little faster. Oh no, I have to activate the engine. Now let's just have this run for a bit. Go right. Don't go too outside of the little yellow thing. Look, let's recenter this. And now let's wait until we get to like 15,000. You know, actually right now we don't need to worry too much about being outside. Let's now let's check our apoapsis. 50,000. Let's wait until that gets up to about 100,000. Yes. Oh, why is it? It's going down. Let's make it go a little more up. Now let's just wait for a bit. And yeah, just a good spot to. No, we don't actually need to quick save. Let's just. This should take a few minutes, not like a minute or so. Yeah. Okay. Let's just wait until we get up to 70,000 meters. 60. Oh yeah, let's start turning this. With our nav ball. And we're gonna try to add, basically while this is going on, I'll explain what we're doing. We want to add energy to this circle, so we're gonna start burning, so it'll make the circle bigger. I mean, I could go into depth for a very long amount of time, but you don't want that. You want me to fly spaceships, and now let's get a little closer. Now, let's check how much burn time we would have. Ah, we only have 15 seconds. That is not good. Let's see what we can do with his 15 burn time. Oh, we might actually be able to. Okay, well, as you can see, let's add more fuel. This is not exactly right. Recover vessel. No, I have a bit of an idea. Yeah, we're losing money very slowly, but after this, let's do this. Oh, okay, let's add. No, not FL. Okay, that's gonna make this a pretty big operation. But let's save, and actually, let's not just launch automatically. Let's go to the mission control and accept orbit curtain. Because we're about to do that. So let's see if there's anything we can do. Okay, doesn't seem like. Oh, I think this will work. Oh no, we don't. Arch and hammer. Solid fuel booster into flight above curtain. Oh no! Wait. Flight above curtain. Yeah, I'll just accept okay, well, yeah, everything right. So let's leave the facility. And now that we've accepted a few missions, let's launch. And more fuel isn't always, that isn't always better, but in our case, it is better. And if this doesn't work, I have one last idea, which is foolproof. So let's just keep on going to the right, tap in that D key. Need to activate the engine. Start tapping that D key. And you know, let's just see how much burn time I have. 70 seconds. 69 seconds, giga. Okay. Let us check that and keep on burning. And let's just humor ourselves and wait until this. What happened? Oh no, everything's fine. We just into a higher atmosphere. You might actually be able to do this. Well, I'm not trying to flex, but X. Yeah, this might actually work. 29 seconds of burn time, and I'm so confident in myself. I'm gonna F5 right here, and we still have 29 seconds of burn time. Now let's just wait. Once we get to about 70,000, I'm gonna do some science experiments because I don't think I've done it high over Kerman. Okay. Going closer. 62,000, 63,000, 64,000. Oh, we should probably move our navball a little further into this. And now we are going to, okay, let us wait, navball, okay. Okay, let's wait until we get a little closer. Okay, we're getting ready to burn. Engines are at full throttle, I think. Yeah, thrust limit. Now, we're ready to execute this burn. I'm just gonna quick save. I completely messed this up. I quick save a lot. And now, let's wait a little more. And it's burn. Oh no, wait, we're about to start going down. Okay, this is where basically all hell starts breaking loose, where it starts only increasing on one side, but there's not much that we can do to stop this. That just means that we burned a little too early. Oh no. Alright, we're just gonna try this one last time. Okay, well this is just going out of proportion, so let's just... Okay... Okay, we have... Okay, let's go back to the Space Center. And... how do we... Let's resume. Let's go to the tracking station. Oh yeah, the tracking station, you can like look this up. Let us fly it, and we are going to... Oh no, we can't revert to the flight. Okay, well... While we're up here, let us conduct a material study. That was 25 science, which is pretty good. And now let's observe our mystery U. That's not much, but it still gave us stuff. And now let us log temperature. We didn't get anything at all. Let's log pressure data. Oh, we got it done. Let's see if the crew here does with it. Okay, nothing. I think, let me review the data. Okay, let's reset the experiment. And now we are going to EVA. And now we're going to do an EVA report. Pretty cool. But now we can reset the goo canister. Oh, I forgot to upgrade the mystery goo. Okay, wait. Let me get back in. Now let me observe the mystery goo. Okay, now let's EVA. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna collect the data, and when I collect the data, let me take the data. Well, no data, but now let us store the experiments and board. Now let's review the stored data. We'll get 12, 20, 22.3, and like 50. We're gonna end up getting like 50 science. Oh, I forgot. We had like 60 science actually. Let me keep all the experiments. And now I think we're going to decouple. Why did the decoupling not do anything? Now we're gonna need to face, not prorate. We're gonna need to face. Oh, why don't we have SAS on? Okay, we're gonna need to go to retrograde, and let's just speed up on that. Now that's prograde, and sometimes they flip. Let me find radial. That's towards the planet that I'm going towards, but I think we need to do retrograde, and now we are going to try our best. This sweet Kerbal, keep experiment. Where is this sweet Kerbal to, you know, do that. To like not die. Oh, we're starting to speed up. Now, let's keep on going. Okay, oh yes, yes, yes. And now we're gonna start holding E. Well, not holding, so we don't flip out of control, but like tapping. Because some of these parts start overheating, but we don't want them to overheat for long. So, if you keep on doing this, then the only thing that will overheat is the heat shield, and that doesn't really overheat. Okay. And let me make sure that 200. Oh, okay. Oh no, that didn't work. Okay. Now, let's just hold E and wait until we get out of this thick atmosphere. Coming out and looking basically the other side of the planet. And let's view it from this and now, okay. Now we're pretty safe. Now we kind of just gotta wait and deploy the parachute when it's safe. Let me see if the 20. No, I'm just gonna deploy it, and let's make it at maybe like 1500. Then it deploys, and yeah, we kind of just chill for a bit. Oh, I forgot to close the container. Okay. Now let's just wait. It'll deploy it, I think 1500. You know, we should actually make that better safe than sorry. 1800 of those. Oh wait, are we gonna crash into that little island? Okay, come on, come on, come on. We can make it. Okay. Okay, it's about to deploy. Right. Yes, it's deployed. Okay. Now watch this slow. This is very fast. Okay. Now I'm gonna physics work, which usually isn't very good, but for the sake of this, we're gonna do it. Okay. $500 meters. Okay. 400. 300. 200. It looks really close, but it's pretty far. Okay. It's better to like. Okay. We have a tiny bit. Come on, nothing break. Nothing will break, but I mean, can never be too safe. Okay, now we're gonna EVA and let's restore it. Oh, okay, well, let's log the temperature of this. Ah, come on, okay, I have to get back in. Let me get back in. Take a crew report. Override the crew report. Okay, let me keep that. And now let me do all the experiments. Log temperature. Experiment. Log temperature. Experiment. Let's. What can I want? Hey, Max. Alright, so we recovered our vessel and everything. And we got a bunch of science, so let's see what we can get. Actually we're gonna just let's just look around. I have an idea. Well, it's not technically mine, but I have an idea for next one. So we got very high. We attempted to go into orbit, and then I kept changing the operation, and worked just fine too. And then we got some science and some money, and that's pretty cool. Also upgraded our, I think it was astronaut complex, so we could do EDS, and yeah, so see you guys next time, and goodbye.